Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable voice to listen on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on preferences, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, come here to raise to listen here. Then you click in this sign. So then like you see here, this color show for us now. That's mean here raise to listen is disabled with us, enabled with us now. It's enabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.